These are nice. So angry. It's what's on this? 7:15 on December 31st. I'm just leaving work. It's tired. It's tired, bud. Is this not good luck or what? Like, just literally saw this on the floor. Oh, by the way, it's January 2nd. Yeah. Day after New Year's, and I found this on the floor. So this is my good luck for the year, I'm hoping. Yeah. I just seasoned these wings with honey barbecue sauce. I'm going to see how they come out. Hope they come out good. Oh, I use Trader Joe's seasoning, like a lot of Trader Joe's seasoning. I will show you next, but yeah. Let's see how these wings. I'm gonna see how these wings come out. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see your eyes. Your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. Yes, so the wings are finally out the oven. Now see it. My honey barbecue wings, testing it so y'all can see. They're done. This is how I test them to make sure that they're done. Once the fork easily goes through it, like here, you know. So I'm about to plate and show y'all and go devour it. It's because I know it tastes good. It smells so good already. But yeah, really easy and quick. I just filled with wings, and I'm a flats girl. So this is how I plate my rice. I shape my rice. This is how it comes out. So this is the meal. It's giving, I know that I'm doing. It's giving. These wings look delicious as hell, and I can't wait to take in. So it's my turmeric rice, my steamed broccoli, and my honey barbecue wings. This man over here stayed in my face. He was staying in my face, but I wasn't even looking at him. I was looking at the dog. They got 2 bottles. I'm taking both of them because I just swap all over for these. Taking both of them. Both of them. I'm don't do my nails now. These work wonders for curly wigs. If you need to detangle, yep, this is it.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now.
I'll be ready by 8:55. Bag calories. Thinking I should buy a bag so I can make for breakfast in the morning. Ew, that's not a good bag. These bags are mad flimsy. I don't like that. I still got sorrow. I need a pretty bag of callaloo. Pretty bag of callaloo. How much is this one? $6. I like this bag. I get 2 bags because 1 bag can't do. Too much people in the house. Too much people in the house. Like this. I'm gonna get 2 bags. And I have bread already. Get some plantains and make it. Yeah, I'm gonna get some plantains. I think I'm gonna get some plantains and make it complete. Nice breakfast in the morning. Of course, why not? For all that don't know what callaloo is, it's like spinach. And yeah, it shrinks just like spinach in a pot. So, 2 bags. And I'm getting some of these pretty plantains. I like my plantains like this. This is how I like my plantains. These aren't ready. See, them hard. Them too tough. I'm gonna get up and make breakfast in the morning. Or my auntie, whoever, me or her. I'm like me, but I'll be sleeping when they wake up. Sissy sleep. I'm back home and I'm about to eat my pizza. But I want to show you my nails. My nails, these are like similar. I think, I have to look for the picture, but I think they look similar to the ones that I had. But they are. I love them. She was like, oh, you want a round tip or a side tip? And I'm like, huh? And when she did the Frenchie, I was like, oh, okay, yeah, keep going. Okay, keep going. I love it. I can't get over how my lashes. I can't get over how long my lashes are. I have some packages to unpack, but I don't know if I'm going to unpack them. Because I'm trying to go to my dad's house. I'm trying to go to my dad's house tonight. If not tonight, definitely in the morning. I bought some collagen. CMOS collagen I bought. I want to try that with my smoothies. Look at my face. My face too fat. So hungry. So one of the reasons why I even bought Pizza Hut tonight is because I'm going to go on my diet. So yeah, diet some start. Not too crazy because I don't want to be skinny. I don't. I just want to lose a couple pounds. And yeah, I bought my blender and I have a juicer. I'm gonna make use of them. Yeah, so I bought Pizza Hut and I bought some cinnamon rolls. That's a little snack. I might end up just bringing it to my dad's house if I don't get to eat it. And then I might do this video after. If not, I'll be editing. I think it was Hawaiian, some Hawaiian pizza. People said pineapple don't belong on pizza. But my thing is, if you eat a slice of pizza and then you eat some pineapple separately, it's all going to the same place. So it can't go on pizza. I want to show you the cinnamon rolls. These are so good. Oh, good. They don't put a lot of icing on it. Perfect. Because first time I had it, my homeboy from work, he bought it and it was so good, but it had too much icing on it. So that's that. So who you calling Minnie? And then I have pizza. Smells good. So it's Italian sausage, chicken, and pineapples. So that this smells so good. I could have sworn I put my banana peppers on there. I don't like. Didn't I put banana peppers on there? No. Damn it. But I gotta put banana peppers on there. But either way, no, I'm not about to eat all this by myself. No, I'm not. Probably like 3 slices. But yeah, this is dinner. Oh, it's Friday, by the way. So yeah, definitely wasn't cooking nothing. I cooked on Sunday last week. I had prep food all week, so yeah, I'm treating myself today, basically. So yeah, why you crust open up? Oh, on. Oh man, what is this? Watch it. Yo. Oh hell no. This is a drink I'm drinking. My water, my cran grape. Let's see how it tastes. Chicken tastes so good with it. I don't know. I love chicken on pizza. Yeah, so what I'm about to do, I'm about to heat up 2 more slices. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this and edit. Yeah, I'm probably going to be in Queens next time y'all see me. So I'm going to enjoy the hell out of this pizza, okay?
The next day.
Look at this. Everybody wants dreads. Nice hairstyle, yes.
Your Uncle Lucas is nothing but lonely. Desperate, pathetic, and lonely. Right. Hey, Dorothy, you two might just hit it off.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
Good morning. It's like about 6 a.m. or almost 6 a.m. I'm about to go in Dunkin' Donuts. And get me some breakfast. First one in here. That's a good thing. Morning hot stuff. These stuffed biscuits. I gotta try these. Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, January 27th. I'm about to go downtown and check out Primark. I've never been to Primark downtown Brooklyn, so I'm gonna go down there and see. And I had bought something from the one in Kings Plaza, so hopefully they have the matching top for that. And maybe go to Imani's Grill if they are not packed, because today's Friday, so it's probably gonna be packed. It's cold outside, so yeah, cover my head with my black tam and my green sweater. I put my jewelry on. I have on some black sweats and my black Uggs. So yeah, but yeah, so I'm about to head out now and see when I get there. I haven't been down here a long time. Oh damn, it's dark. Some mall. Yeah, so we just got down to the mall. We're gonna go in here and see what they got.
Honey has, I think my dad would like this one. Because the one that I left my brother's, it has this thing on here. But I don't see them. They don't have them. No, they don't have them no more. These are the only ones that he has. But even this one, so, does this, I think it is, we call it waterproof?
It doesn't say waterproof, but it's giving that.
I don't know, yeah.
These are nice. Only because of my flag colors. I don't think my dad have a pair of Jordans like this. Like the dunks. These are the dunks, right? 120. Those are not bad. These are nice.
You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see your eyes. Your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge.
This is cute. I like this little thing right here. That's nice. I already saw some bags that I like on upstairs. Not gonna lie, I like this jacket. It's not my size though. Definitely not number 0. But I like it. They got Wi-Fi in here. That's smart. Like pajamas. That's for now Valentine's Day type of thing. Oh, the shirts. Yeah. Nah. Look at these heels. I know they're platforms, but still, who is wearing these? Child. I mean, there's girls that definitely wear them, but these heels look crazy. You're gonna break your ankle. Ooh, I like this. I like it. I'm getting it. Ooh, it smells so good. This Madagascar and vanilla. The vanilla and patchouli. This vanilla and patchouli candle smells so good. And it's only $3.50. I think I'm gonna get it. Midnight mints. So yeah, a few candles here. I came here to get some baby clothes for my friend's baby girl. She got 3 girls, and I already got stuff from Macy's for the other 2 girls, but the baby clothes I got for her is so cute. Oh, this brings me back to my childhood. Look at the yo-yos for $1.50. And then they got the puzzle cube. I want to get this now. What's a big kid? Over here? Okay, it's fancy. I like that.
You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.
You just came out of Primark. I got some nice stuff. Of course. Yeah, we're gonna go get some food. All I had all day was some ginger tea. These are pretty. These are just, I love these things. And I'll probably showed it like 3 times already. Lunar balloons type of thing. Japanese. Is Japanese? Yeah. I want to make sure I'm saying the right thing, child. I'm not confident.
1 hour later.
Yeah, finally leaving downtown now. My belly full though. Yeah. And I have to go home and edit, basically. Yeah. I got another video to finish edit. Even though I just posted 2 this week. I really don't need to post nothing else, but I got 1 to finish. I want to be done with my 2022 videos, so I'm gonna edit that one and post that one probably tomorrow. Honestly. I know it's not allowed to edit because it's just the haul for the Burlington video. So yeah, it's now minutes to 10. And yeah, going home. Walking home now. I'm still walking home. Walking to the train now. But yeah, it's Friday, day off, so I come to the road. But no, I'm going home to my bed. See y'all in the next clip, whatever day that is.